All right, so angle properties of a triangle. All right, the first angle property of a triangle is this. One, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So the three interior angles, here the interior angles are alpha, beta, and theta. And the sum of the three interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Angle property 2. This says when one side of a polygon is produced or extended, an exterior angle is formed, and that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. So let me show you what I mean. If we extend one side of a triangle like this, the angle that is formed on the outside is called an exterior angle. It's called an exterior angle. These two angles here are called opposite interior angles. Now, this one here would be the adjacent interior. These two over here are called opposite interior angles. Now, the exterior angle of a triangle, so let's call this exterior angle alpha, let's call it gamma. In this instance, gamma, the exterior angle, would be equal to theta plus beta, which are the opposite interior angles. So the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Now, we need to talk about the base angles of an isosceles triangle. Now, a triangle with at least two sides of equal length is called an isosceles triangle. A triangle with at least two sides of equal length is called an isosceles triangle. So let's go to the next page. So an isosceles triangle is a triangle with two sides, at least two sides of equal length. So for this triangle here, these two sides are equal. How do we know? How do we indicate that the two sides are equal? The strokes on it. The strokes is telling me that these two sides are equal. So the two equal sides of an isosceles triangle meet at the apex. So these two equal sides, they meet at the apex. Opposite from the apex is the base. And the two base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Ladies and gentlemen, the two equal sides of an isosceles triangle meet at the apex. The two equal sides meet at the apex. Opposite from the apex is the base. The two base angles here and here of an isosceles triangle are equal. All right, so far, what have we learned? The three interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Yeah, we've learned that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. We have learned that the two base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. Now, let's have a look at example 2.